Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through a really useful skill for Shopify store owners, how to create an automated collection. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up collections that organize products for you automatically, saving you time and making your store easier to manage. Whether you're planning a seasonal promotion or just want your products to be sorted smarter, this simple process will take your shop to the next level. Let's dive right in. First things first, log into your Shopify admin. This is your command center, where all the magic happens. If you're not already on the admin dashboard, just enter your credentials at shopify.com and sign in. It's important to always log in securely, so make sure you're using a private network if possible and you've got two-factor authentication set up. Think of this step like opening the door to your virtual storefront. You need to be in the right place before you can start rearranging things inside. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and find Products. Clicking here will reveal more options, and we want to go to Collections. Collections act like curated categories. Imagine a bookshelf where each shelf holds a different genre or theme of books. In Shopify, these collections help your shoppers find what they're looking for faster, whether it's bestsellers, new arrivals, or items on sale. Now, let's create a new collection. At the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Create Collection. Give that a click. This is where you'll start building your new group of products. Thinking about your store, consider what kinds of collections your customers might appreciate. For example, you might create one for a summer sale, or new arrivals, or eco-friendly products. The possibilities are pretty endless, and you can tailor these based on what fits your brand or current promotions. When the new collection page opens, you'll need to enter a title. Let's say you're preparing for a big seasonal push. You might type Summer Sale. The title is what your customers will see, so make it clear and appealing. Don't stress about getting it perfect right away. You can always tweak it later. Here's a key setting you'll find. Collection type. Make sure to select Automated. Why automated? Because once you set the rules, Shopify will do the work for you, scooping up all the products that match your conditions. No more manually adding or removing items. Your collection updates itself. It's like setting up a filter on your coffee machine. You just pick what you want and it keeps things flowing as new products come in. Next, it's time to add some conditions. This is the heart of automation. For example, if you want all products tagged with summer to be included, set the condition to product tag is summer. You can stack conditions too. Maybe you want items that are tagged summer and also above a certain price. The more specific you get, the more targeted your collection becomes. Don't worry if this part takes a minute. Think through what you want to include. And remember, you can always edit these conditions later. If you want to make your collection even more appealing, you can add an image and a description. This bit is optional, but I highly recommend it. A bright, eye-catching image will make your collection stand out, and a brief description lets your customers know what's special about these items. Maybe add a sunny photo for the summer sale and write a line about your best deals for the season. It's little touches like these that encourage visitors to browse further. Once you're happy with everything, the title, the conditions, and any visuals, don't forget to click Save. This part is easy to overlook but absolutely necessary. Without saving, all your hard work won't stick. Give it a moment and you'll see your new automated collection appear in your list. And that's it. You've just set up an automated collection on Shopify. Your store is now smarter and more organized, and you're freeing up time to focus on growing your business. If this walkthrough helped you, go ahead and give the video a like. If you have any questions or want advice on customizing your collections, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more tutorials like this, be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.